Hi traders, my name is Michael and today's topic is the social trading, which is a trading platform that allows beginners or investors on the Forex copy the transactions of professional traders to their own account. The platform brought together traders from all over the world, which will allow them to adopt the experience of trading and communicate with people with different trading mentality. The investor copies the trader's transactions and shares the percentage of profit with him in the form of a commission. The size of this commission established by the trader for copying from his account is displayed in the rating of traders. That's how it works. Simple and straightforward. A unique feature of social trading is that, unlike the systems like PAM, funds are stored in the accounts of owners and the transactions of professionals are duplicated directly to their accounts. This means that the transaction copying system helps beginners to trade successfully from the first day. Also, a huge advantage is the ability to communicate with traders around the world in the built-in chat rooms. You can also write the trader in private messages and clarify all your questions before starting to copy. The platform has copy settings that will help limit risks and a monitoring system for traders where the entire history of their trading, profitability charts, and the risk assessments are visible. I will tell you more about it in this video, so let's switch to the screen view. Standard procedure. We need to log into our account, click the button on the left side which is copy. Right now we are in the section of copy trading. First four buttons are selecting for us available traders for copying. By your favorites, the ones you pressed a yellow star on, probably the ones you are watching closely to invest with. By popularity, the traders with biggest number of copy traders are shown here. High profitability, as you probably guess, traders with the highest gains are selected here. And the minimal risk, again only those who trade with low risk. Next two buttons are filtering selected category on managed assets, profitability, number of copy traders, period of trading, and risk level. The next is the time period, 1 year, 3 months, 1 month, etc. etc. For example, let's choose section with high profitability and sort them by managed assets. We can see that the trader Marcus is the one who shows up on the first place. So he is managing the biggest amount of assets among the most profitable traders. It's simple, right? So let's go for his profile and choose him as an example. First we see his trading history in visualized form of a chart. Next we have a portfolio where currently opened trades are visible. All-time trading history. And at the end we have information about the trader, his resume we can say. We have the information about country, where he's based on, how long he's trading on this platform, and how much capital is he managing, his own and his investors, and of course the number of the investors. On the left there is information about commission for copying, which is 25%, which is decent, it's fair enough price. Below the recommendation for copying, and on top of all that you can write a private message and ask for advice how you should copy his account if you're not decided yet. When everything suits us, we have to click profitability chart, the first section, and on the right side we have the section copy to set the copy settings. First we need to choose the amount. I'll go with 3,000 euros. Below we have to click to set specifications for copying. As I mentioned, you can ask the trader, but for the purpose of this video I'll just set 0.01 lots per trade fixed. It is okay for whatever the strategy trader is using to minimize their risk. Next, down below we have a max loss and max profit, where you set the amount which you eventually want to lose and the amount of profit which you'll be feeling comfortable with to end copying and withdraw. I'll leave it blank and just wait how this deal will go on. And lastly, we need to hit copy and it's done. So, right now I'm excited and can't wait for the results. So let's give the trader some time and we'll hear each other soon. 2 days later, let's check the results. We are in the profit, guys, around 90 euros. Let's check the details once again. The trader Marcus, 3000 euros, profit 90 euros. The date from where we started, 27th of January. Let's hit stop. Right now we see the pending icon. You see that the profit on the right side is floating, but it will be banked from the moment which we clicked, which was around 90 euros. Success. Copy will stop in the near future, so the deal is closed. Let's close this window, and on the bottom left side you see that my assets total were updated. So yeah, that's pretty much it, as you can see. So right now let's switch to the camera view once again. Now you've learned how to copy other traders. You can proceed straight away. Thank you for your attention, wish you big profits, and yeah, till next time. Take care.